Hi and welcome to Nick Whale Motorhomes. I'm Andy and today I have the pleasure to show you around this WildAx Aurora Leisure. With a length of only 5.99 metres and a width of 2.05 metres, it can be stored on your driveway at home, cutting out the need for expensive storage charges. And it could also be used as a day-to-day vehicle. Based on a 2.2 litre Fiat Ducato with 140 brake horsepower and a 9-speed automatic gearbox, this is a fantastic little motorhome with a great amount of living space to play with as well, benefiting from a front and rear lounge with 3 berths and 3 travel seats. Living space is certainly not at a premium. Now, by having the 2 separate living spaces, this gives you masses of options, and as we all know, the more options you have, the more likely the van is to work for you. So when we look around the Aurora Leisure, what can we see? Well, first of all, we have this nice set of alloy wheels. Privacy glass, and they're all double glazed by the way, only the windscreen and the 2 front windows aren't. Fresh water fill, flue for your heating, cassette toilet, electric hookup point just here. As we come round at the back, you can see we have rear sensors, but we also have a reversing camera, so we're doubling up there. As we come round, we have an awning and an awning light. Electric step to the habitation area. If we open the door, fly screen that comes across the habitation door, stop the midges, and a gas locker just here. And then of course we have your fuel and your AdBlue filler just there. Let's take a look inside. In the cab we have driver and passenger airbags, full cab lines, steering wheel controls, a DAB, Bluetooth media centre, a reversing camera, cruise control and cab climate control air conditioning, and these 2 large cup holders, to mention just a few of the options. Also, both captain seats swivel and are height adjustable. This helps to maximise the whole of the modest 5.99 metre footprint. Once swivelled, these become part of the lounge and act as 2 comfortable armchairs with reading lights above each seat. If we then consider the roof, we have a solar panel, TV aerial and Wi-Fi aerial. That's impressive in such a compact space. The front lounge is a particularly impressive space. We have an extra forward facing travel seat, and with the 2 cab seats swivelled it will sit 3 adults in comfort, with the option for the coffee table to fit between the 2 captain seats, with the pole and tabletop living in the wardrobe. You'll also see we have a rail which runs beneath the window. This allows for the table to be attached and makes this area into a half dinette. I'm just going to pop this out of the way for now. And there is a separate locker for it just at the back. If you want to relax, both captain seats are extremely comfortable and fully adjustable. This area feels a lot bigger than it is, and by removing the table it feels even bigger still. Now, this travel seat drops down to make up into a single berth, and it drops down very easily, as I'm now going to show you. So what we're going to do, we're going to incorporate the driver's seat just there, because that'll give us the leg room. So just here, there's a catch. We slide that up, and then we pull the seat forward. Needs to get a little bit more there. There we go. We're going to attach the pillow. This drops down. You'll see there is a curvature just there and there on the cushions, and that allows us to turn this cushion round and it literally slots into place, and again that then gives you your single berth, and it's a good size. In the kitchen we have an electric compressor fridge, a good slab of work surface and an extender behind. There's also a sink, a gas oven and grill combi, plus 3 gas hobs. There's also plenty of storage above and below. Besides the fridge, we have a small wardrobe, just here, which has a hanging rail. And below, we have the larger wardrobe, which houses your coffee table and arm. It really is surprising how much space you have to prepare a meal here. I've seen motorhomes twice this size with nowhere near this sort of space. In the washroom, we have a skylight, mirror, wash basin, cassette toilet. We also have a towel holder and toilet roll holder, along with a bar to hang your wet clothes and towels, and a storage locker. The rear lounge is a very open plan space with plenty of natural light coming in from all sides and above. Now, this is where we get back to that word, options. In this, guys, we have a spacious rear lounge, which is great for being able to kick your shoes off, put your feet up and relax. But once you've put the two benches together, you have a transverse double bed. Now, this can be left in makeup and you have a fixed bed in the rear. It's not an issue as you still have the front lounge. It's a win-win. The flexibility of any motorhome is what makes it stand the test of time. As your life changes, usually so does your motorhome. But if it's adaptable enough, that's not necessarily the case. Save yourself a bit of money that way. Now, by putting these two together, it's very easy, as I'll demonstrate. You have two catches just here, which we've already dropped down. Then we literally slide this piece out. Same on the other side. There we go. Pull them across. That slides down the back. Like so. And there we have a good sized double bed. Now, a lot of people may turn these over, so you're sleeping on the flat side. What that will do is it will give you a more even wear. But again, at the end of the day, that's entirely up to yourselves. Here we have your 12-volt control panel. And over here, we have the control panel for your Wi-Fi unit. The WildAx Aurora Leisure comes packed with features. It really is a fantastic little all-rounder. This model has a TV aerial, Wi-Fi, a DAB, Bluetooth media centre, a reverse camera, and 2 habitation areas. Add this to the fact that it also has an awning, solar panel, alloy wheels, an oven, and not forgetting a spare wheel, as a lot don't have them these days. The real beauty of this van conversion though is the fact that you can drive it on a standard driver's licence. There's no need for a C1. Also, because it's so compact, you can take it pretty much anywhere and get to the places that the larger motorhomes may struggle to get to. This is great if you like to make the most of your weekends or like to get to those out of the way places. Now, for a full list of features on this model, please refer to the specification list on our website, or why not give us a call, because this really is worth a view. And we look forward to meeting you soon.